and how do we maintain our properties well. At that same time, I became an energy evaluator for the federal government, so I'm energy guide for houses certified and R2000, so I can look at a house and talk about energy efficiency. I've sold property as a traditional real estate agent in the Lethbridge area. I've dealt with lots and lots of home building projects, from full roofing to framing, electrical, that kind of stuff. And I can understand and tell you how houses work. Now, I've also owned and managed my own properties and have been an actual manager for other landlords for several years. I work with Home Time Properties, who actually started in 2003. So we've been in business for many years. I think our combined experience within our office is, I'm going to say, probably close to 80 years. Now, that sounds a lot. We have agents with